powered light. Go out and have a look at the gasifier. Lots of fuel in there. Yep, still dripping there. See right up in the top there. Oh, I'm played out from pulling that rope there. Didn't realize how much fun that thing was to start. How do you put it? Never enjoyed starting that thing. It's probably the best it's ever started. She's cooled down considerably here because I think that fan draws more than the engine does. So that would tell me that this is most definitely capable of running a lot more. I had her pretty warmed up there. I actually had to, I had her running once for a brief time, and I actually had to come out, restart my blower fan and get a little bit better gas coming. You don't want to dick around too much between the time you shut your blower fan down and the time you actually start the engine. So it seems to be running pretty good there. I'm going to mark those positions of the valves, and so I have some reference to go by. Smaller engine obviously doesn't need near the air and near the fuel, so they're both choked back pretty good. Most guys are running 50-50. I'm at about 25-25 on each valve. Oh, you see this hose chatter in here, and the genset just coughed. I'm not sure what's going on yet. A burp of air or something? I don't know. How about we go in and see? I'm sure she's still producing. I just plugged a light bulb into there, a 200 watt light bulb. I'm just trying to trying to get the missus' attention there. Oh, we're getting a little bit of coughing here. Not sure what's going on. Oh, lost her. Oh, do I dare pull her again? I was hoping she'd see it before it died on me. That's okay. That's it in a nutshell anyway.